Subscribe to Tech with AJT and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the newly launched Eyeball Music Poison. So let's move in. Friends, this is the box of the Eyeball Music Poison. So first check what's written on the box, then we'll move inside. So as you can see on the top, it's written sleek and stylish design, easy to carry, high impact sound, LED display, remote control inside the box, rechargeable batteries, and it supports Bluetooth, USB, micro SD card, FM aux. So you can see it's a posters over here, and at the back some more information about the speaker. So now let's move inside the box. So these are two seals over here, so let's cut them out. Now just remove the box. So first thing you can see is the remote. So this is the remote control. These are all the accessories and your manual, and as you can see this is your speaker. So now let's check the accessories what are provided. So as you can see, a aux cable over here, your charging cable, traditional charging cable, and you get some batteries also inside the box to put inside this remote. So now let's clean this mess up and we'll look at the speaker. Friends, this is the speaker out of the box. So first thing we are going to talk about is the build quality and design. Design wise, this speaker is damn good looking. Like, I love the way it looks. It's quite sleek and it fits perfectly in that modern house nowadays we built. And you get there, you get some plastic bits like these two accents at the end, the silver accents, which looks quite good, and the whole shell is plastic but it has a rubber coating on top of it. You don't have any kind of panel gaps. As you can see, you don't have any kind of panel gaps, and all fit and finish is quite top notch. You get a grill up front which also looks quite sleek, and the design of the grill is also great. This is the display on the top. This is the Eyeball logo. This isn't a button. I also thought it's a button, but it isn't a button. This is the Eyeball logo on the bottom, nothing else. Some rubber padding, but other than that, it's quite great when you pick it up, or the feel is quite superb. Like, it feels very top notch. So now the buttons on the top, as you can see, the play pause button in the center over here, changing tracks, changing volume over here. Your mode button is over here, and if you want to pick up calls also, you can just click on the pause button. And at the back, your on and off button, your aux input, you get a LED indicator for charging. This one, you have a USB input, charging port, you have a charging port, you have a micro SD card also over here. So now we are going to talk about is the feature. The features list is quite big for this speaker. Like, you get a SD card slot, you get a USB slot, which is quite great. You get FM also, you get latest Bluetooth 4.2, and this for the fact is a 12-watt speaker. And the great and the most convenient thing which I like the most, like, I'm a very lazy guy, and this is the most convenient thing I've ever seen on a speaker which is priced like this and this portable. Like, you get a remote out of the box. Like, you have to install those batteries inside this remote. These are AAA batteries. You can replace it if the batteries die. So the most convenient feature is this remote. Like, you can switch on and off your speaker, mute your speaker. You can just change the modes like Bluetooth mode, USB mode, FM, and your aux mode. You can change different kinds of FM stations. You can directly scan, change volume. You can do most of the stuff while sitting on the bed and listening to music. That's a great and the most convenient feature. Like, I've unboxed more than 12 or 13 speakers on this channel, but I've never seen this kind of feature on any of those speakers. Like, I've unboxed many costly speakers too, like above 12,000 rupees, but this is the most convenient feature ever I've seen on a Bluetooth speaker, and at this price, this is the best feature which I like. So Now we are going to move on to the sound test of this speaker. I have connected my Nexus 6P to the speaker. So the name of the song is Clouds. So now I'm going to play the song, and the volume from my device is full, as you can see. So friends, as you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion. This Eyeball Music Poison is a great speaker. Like, it is very sleek. The sound is superb. Like, it doesn't have any distortion. The bass is good. It's not that thumping, but the bass is quite good. And for the size and price point, it's quite good. Like, it's absolutely best. Like, it's superb. Like, it's providing so much of things. Like, the build quality is damn good on this speaker. And you get many kinds of different features also. You get that display, your USB port, SD card slot. You get a great battery life also, like 7 hours is not less, and it's perfectly good, continuous 7 hours. And the most convenient feature, like I've said, the remote. The remote is the most convenient feature of this speaker. Like, you don't have to get up from your couch when you're listening music, and you can change tracks. You can switch off the speaker, and you can play pause too. Just click off a button on this remote. It's just changing modes and changing volumes, and that is the most convenient feature which I like about this speaker. And if you want to buy this great speaker, the links are in the description. Just go for it. Like, you get a great sleek design, modern design. Everything looks quite top notch. The sound is top notch. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Eyeball Music Poison. Thank you for watching, friends.